Hi everyone, morning, good afternoon. How are you all doing? This is Vlogmas 2. I decided that we were going to do the Christmas tree, but my husband had to work late because I wanted him to be a part of it as well. So everything got delayed. So we didn't even get to put up the Christmas tree. We'll probably put it up tomorrow. Yes. Oh yes, there. Ice skating, yeah. Yeah. Oh, sorry about the lighting. Yes. So we probably put it up because today's Saturday. We put it up tomorrow. So yeah, you know what I mean. Things just delay because he's at work right now, and I have to go. Christmas time, and this is my favorite season, and I love it. Keep on look over here up on myself camera, but yeah, keep on. Look over there. But yes, if you have not like or subscribe, please do like and subscribe and hit the button so you know when I upload a new video. Yes, I'm just right now I get ready and get my son ready to drop him off and then head out. What's in there? What's in there? Okay, so we found a spot in the house, and that's where we're gonna put our Christmas tree. So we had this from our stroller because we got the Christmas tree, but we didn't have any box for it, so I used this when I was moving to put the Christmas tree into it. So from that time, I'm gonna hold the camera over here. So from that time until now, I have it in here. Let's look what's in here. Hubby isn't home yet. He's working late today, so I may just take it out, and then it already has the lights on there and stuff like that. But I'll probably just take it out and then have all my stuff here. Yeah, so excited! Woohoo! 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 What is it? Yeah, lights? Yeah. Hi everyone, so I'm here at Vision. They're not, oh, are they open? No, not yet. 10? It's almost 10 anyways. Yeah, I'm just here at Vision. If you can see them inside. Vision, because I have we bought this Android box. I don't know if you can see it. Android box, but it's not working. It's supposed to have light on there to indicate that it's working, and there's nothing coming on. So yeah, it's probably just a default one we bought it yesterday, so I decided to just take it back in today. Oh, the sun is bright. Yeah, but they're not open yet, but it's like almost 10 o'clock, so it's 5 minutes to 10. Sorry, I'm just like this. It's 5 minutes to 10 now, so hopefully they'll open quick because it's a nice day out, so we can stay out and stand up for a while. Oh jeez, I love this. This is winter and it feels so good. It's probably like plus 10 now this morning, and it's probably going to get better too later on in the day. So yeah, just there wait. Pew, pew, pew. Pew. It was a bit Vision now, and I stand up outside not knowing it seems like they open for like 10 minutes before. I did not check the door, but one might say, you know what, check the door, and I did. So just exchanging it, just have to bring it to the door over here and ring that bell and then come out in a new one. So hopefully it's fine this time, because we can't keep on. If it don't work the next time, I'm just gonna come for a return. I am not gonna exchange anything. Let's ring this bell. Ding dong. I'm waiting for a package. And then I'm just carry around in a Vision for show you how we look in here. Thank you. Okay, so the guy just took it from me from the door. That looks so cute. No makeup. I'm all natural. Lip kind of dry still. And if you look, put on a chapstick on here. Yeah. Okay guys, so it didn't work out with the return at Visions because it's final sale because of the Black Friday. That was on sale and we got it for that sale price, so it didn't work out. So we got a different one, exchange, but we're thinking maybe to go and exchange it for something totally different from an Android box. But yeah, right now I'm at it's a store called Magic Deal Liquidation Center. So this store is pretty good. They sell a lot of good stuff for good prices, right? So if you're ever into, oh, they should be paying me if you advertise the store, yeah. If you're into Calgary, you can check it out. Yes, I'm just here looking looking for what they really have, but I'm here to really look if they have like car or truck mats in general. So that's the aisle that I'm in right now. So I don't know if you can see it. They have some here, 3-piece for $19. Right, but this is not these. I think these are only for cars. So I'm just gonna look around and see what they have. Okay, people. So I'm under it. Hi, Shana, the other girl here. So yeah, the video probably be short today because I have to go to work. No, I have like a volunteer work that I do. So coming up to Christmas, they have a lot of Christmas parties and stuff like that. So I'll be working late, probably until 12, maybe 1 o'clock tonight. So I'll be doing just a short vlog for today for VLOGMAS 2. Yeah, well, I'm there. I didn't in right now. Okay, so I'll see you later. Bye. Bye.